Today we will discuss about the relations between field and potential. Student, we have been studying the chapter number 2, electrostatic potential and capacitance. The relation between field and potential. The meaning of the field, it means that intensity of the electric field. Is that clear? That day we have discussed about the, I am just telling what is that. Suppose here is before you may see this, there is a field, we simply can understand there is a field, how is it, and I am just telling the virtual, in virtual lab we can just show here and how the field actually just work in the we can say here in the, I am just talking about that electrostatic field is to be shown here about the charge, and I also gave you the just here is same charges is there. So, you may see here before that what I am talking to, there is a space here. Okay. If I placed here a positive charge, is that clear or not, and another positive charge is brought here. So, obviously, if this is the electric field here, okay, and if I will bring here a positive charge at here, clear. So, what will happen, this will actually will move, this will follow the same path here, and this is called electric field line, this is called electric field, clear. In the same way, if I will bring here this negative charge, okay, so it will just follow this path here. You may see this is, you just could see here this positive charge, negative charge is coming here, you may see this is, okay, and how this is happening, clear guys, right now. So, what is this? This is the electric field here, we developed here electric field. So, here I told you the source of the field is available, this is the charge, is that clear? So, and where the electric field will be there, the electric field you may see here this, yes, there is this. So, here the electric field, the rightmost the electric field is weaker and the leftmost the electric field is stronger, clear guys. And a big negative charge I will just bring here this the field line pattern is there, you will obtain here. This is an electric dipole, is that clear? So, electric dipole and axial position also you know here, and equatorial position also you know this, is that clear guys? And here we draw on the electric field line pattern, clear guys. So, that day I explained the concept of this. Suppose that I have taken here a positive charge, okay. So, here not to discuss what is the source of the charge, suppose I am just giving here electric field, okay. You may see the electric field is there, what here just to understand here this is field line pattern is there, okay. Different field line patterns we are just drawing here, you may see this is, okay. This is the field line pattern, electric field lines are here. As the lines are parallel, just understand, as the lines are parallel, okay, these lines are parallel here. So, we can understand this is the uniform electric field and field is proceeding from left to right. So, the different points I am just taking here, this is the point P, okay, and its point Q and its point R, okay. So, if we will just position here will be the source of charge here. So, if I want to ask here where the electric field at P, this is called electric field at Q, this is called, and electric field at R, this is called. So, the strength of electric field at what point will be more? So, your answer is it will be more at P, because if we will move away from this, if you will travel along the field lines and will go ahead, the electric intensity and the strength of the electric field will decrease. So, we can understand here EP is greater than EQ and greater than ER, exactly. This is the field strength we have this necessary, okay. So, why? Because if you will see the formula of electric field, so you just, it's a constant here and here the source charge is present, okay, and here will be the position vector. So, if you will see the position vector is at here. So, obviously, the position vector of P will here. So, certain positional vector, the position vector, another point I am just taking here right now, you may just see where is this side, I am just telling here this, okay guys. So, what I am just talking about to sorry, this is that here. So, it is very simple, it is, okay. There are certain points are here, some more points are I am just taking, one point is at here, one point is at here, one point is at. So, different points will be there with the different position vector surface I have developed here, okay. This type of rectangular surface we are developing, is that clear? The point on these surfaces have the equal same position vector. If they have the same position vector as their source is also same, so electric field at this point will be same. So, this plane surface, you may see this plane surface, this plane surface is said to be uniform field surface or equipotential, sir. The word meaning potential. Okay, I am explaining here the concept of potential. So another surface also we are just describing here. The another surface is at here. Clear? So we'll see here at different point of this surface the potential will same here. At different point of this, but these surfaces are separated from what here? This is an electric field here. Okay, field line entering from here, it's going from here and it's coming out from here. This is called the field line. Is that clear? So what is that here? Obviously the field at here is V, okay, here, and the field at here is del plus V. So is it correct here? No. Obviously the distance between, suppose that we simply can understand here, the source of the charge is present to the left side, clear, and here will be the field. I am just telling this, the potential at V here and here will be the potential at del V. We can just understand here, clear. Why? Because if we will move right to left, the potential will decrease. If we will move left to right, the potential will increase. Why? Because more closer to this. It means if you are moving in the direction of electric field, the conclusion is to be drawn here. If you are moving, okay, if moving along the field, the potential will along the field, the potential will decrease. Okay, the potential will decrease. Okay, first thing else. On the other hand, against the field, the potential will decrease. This is that here. Why this happens? It's very simple here. Suppose water is flowing from left to right. Obviously, if you just go up to the stream, so you will need to do much work in reaching the point to the top. Okay, and if you will just go down, so obviously you will less. Means the potential at lower stream point is less than that of the potential at high stream point. Okay, is that clear? Simple it is. So we just want to find out the, so here will be the potential V and here will be the potential V plus del V. It means they will have different position vector. The position vector of this surface is, I think it is R obviously, and the position vector of this surface is obviously at del R distance it is. Okay, so by changing the del R, that potential del V is there. Okay, so we just can understand here this, the derivation is there. How to understand that? Let, okay, the two surfaces, two surfaces, okay, surfaces at R and del R, R and R plus del R position vector, R distance. Okay, the potential is that the potential at 2 points on the surface, okay, will be, what will be that place? R plus del R. So here will be, it's a del V, clear? Potential will be, so what will be the potential here? V and V plus del V. Just you understand this. Okay guys, so where will be the position vector? Obviously its position vector is R and the second position vector will be a del plus R. Okay, so we just want to find out how much work is to be done. Since we are to find out work done, okay, since work done in moving, work done in moving, a unit charge from one surface to another, that is how much displacement you are just giving here. Del R we can speak here, or also in your textbook it is represented as a del L. Okay, del R displacement. So what is work done? Please tell me. Del W is equal to work done is equal to force into displacement, and everybody know here force into displacement. So force is what? Obviously we will do the force against electric repulsion. Clear? Right now everybody can understand, and since the charge is what here unitary, so it shall be 1 into, so force will play the role of electric field and electric field will play that. So here you can write E into dr, and here what? Del W is also there. So why we are finding del W? Because work done is numerically equals to the potential difference between the two different surfaces here. So what will be the potential difference between two surfaces here? So simply we are just finding the potential difference between them is, so you will write here, so total work done by D, so integrating or also further can be divided it, right? I am telling this, oh sorry, since the work done okay, numerically equals to what? Potential difference, okay, numerical potential difference, that is del V can be written as or del U into del R is there also, and further to be written as also electric field is equal to del V by del R. You just may see it is. So we are to find out del R. What is del R? So change in position vector is there. So you just may see this here. Its position vector is what here? Its position vector is R. Its position vector is R. And what is the position vector of second surface? R plus del R. Okay, R plus del R also. So where the potential is high, here the potential at A potential is high, at B the potential is low. The two different points are here. So if we will move the charge against the field, the work done is negative, and in the direction of the field the work done is positive. We just can understand here this right now. So what does this mean, the negative potential? So obviously potential will be negative here, okay. So this can be written as negative of that, okay. However, it will be taken as a positive also, del V by del R and further. So we understand here, the conclusion is to be done here first. Electric field at any point is the derivative of the potential difference at that point, or also inversely we can see speak here, electric field is what? Negative derivative of this against repulsion, or this also can be written as, so dV is equal to EdR, that is integral of this, del V is equal to EdR. So what we can understand here, potential at a point is the further is to be done in this, from V1 to V1 minus V to V2 minus V1, and there is EdR. So it's a del V. So potential difference numerically equal to the integral of electric field, and electric field is the derivative of that, means derivative go on decreasing. So in the direction of the field, the potential difference decreases as it's giving the negative here, but in the opposite direction of the field it is positive. Is that clear? So simply we can understand here. So what is del R? What is total del R? So that is, if the distance between them, this portion is not to be necessary given here, you may understand here this, the distance between the, suppose the two surfaces we have taken, okay, one surface is that, the another surface is there, these are at this, okay. So the gap between these two surfaces L suppose, or also we can take here D distance, okay. So what we can understand here, so potential difference between these two can be taken as a V is equal to electric field between them, average electric field, because okay, and here will be the distance between them EL. So V is equal to EL, this is that here. So it's further Newton, means it's Newton per coulomb, and it shall be meter. So this will be the formula for the potential difference. Is that clear? So we'll remember you, this is very important line that is to be used further here. A surface, here the electric field 1 it is, and here the electric field 2 it is, okay. Here the potential is V1, here the potential is V2, and the gap between is del E electric field, and the gap between them is del V, and with respect to del R, everything is going on change here. Is that clear, guys? We'll remember please, this is the relationship between the electrostatic potential and electric field, okay. The product of the electric field and length is said to be numerically equals to potential difference. Okay guys, well understood you this? So see the next please. So two things to be understood here. This first is, electric field in direction of which the potential difference decreases steepest, meaning steepest means sharply it decreases here, this is called steepest, and magnitude is given by the change in magnitude of potential difference per unit displacement. Okay, these two things to be remembered here. Okay guys, understood you? Some numerical you will solve on this basis. Okay, so I am telling the numericals here, and understanding the numerical you will just be perfect in that. So you may say, where are the questions numerical? Yeah, there is this, you may see. Based on this we'll solve here. Have a look. Electric field is this here, and this is the thing what I am talking about. Electric field against, this is the electric field, this is we just can understand, this is the electric field against along x here, and this is along y, and this is it. So all the three axes the electric field could be here different. Okay, so and you may see here this the formula. So before using the numerical, this to be done here is. Okay, see the question number first. So what the first question is saying, you may just understand here. What is that? Yeah. Okay. So question is first. What the first question saying here? The first question, find the, please read the question here, what exactly it is speaking here. Find the electric field between metal plate 2 plate 3 mm apart, connected by 12 volt batteries. What the meaning of connected by 12 volt batteries? 12 volt battery means the battery is not giving potential, it's giving you potential difference. So this is very simple here, since the method of solving question is, okay, what is that? This with the question we are solving here. Since potential difference is 12 volt, is that clear, as given here, and the distance between them d is to be taken here 3 mm. This is an SI unit, is to be written as 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Clear? And we are to find out electric field strength, question mark. So everybody can solve here, since relationship between potential, field and distance is what? E is equal to, tell please, V by L. Right or not guys? So we can write down the electric field here, 12 volt divided by 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Further is to solve, 4 into 10 to the power 3. What? The unit is to be taken here, it's a volt per meter. Okay, volt per meter. This is another unit, volt per meter of what? Please, this is the answer here. Okay. So what the next solution is there? What saying? Question number 2. Question number 2. Calculate the voltage needed to balance an oil drop carrying 10 electron between the plates of capacitor. Okay, and now you will think that what is the capacitor, what is the plate here? Don't think here. Suppose there are the two plates are here. Okay, I'm telling what the assembly of capacitor. Suppose one plate is at here. Okay, this is, and the another plate I have taken here. This you may see between these two plates, inside the media is there. Okay, you may see this is that here, the space inside the two plates is there. Okay, so here will be the field stronger. Okay, here will be the electric field, and between them the potential difference V is there. Okay, what the questioner is asking. So obviously there is positively charged plate. Understand this please. There is positively charged plate. Is that clear or not? And there is negatively charged plate. Clear? So between them electric field is directed from left to right, obviously. So simple thing is to ask here, if you will leave an electron it means that if you will leave here an electron, so where the electron will move? Obviously it will move in the direction of the field or opposite direction. So it will move opposite direction of the field. It means electron move rightward, and proton, if you will take a proton, so proton will move here rightward. Okay, so this is the charge here, it's a charge. So what the question is asking, 10 electron means this is an assembly of the 10 electron. So how much 10 electrons together make? Okay, so simple, it is 10 electrons here. So what the questioner is asking, 10 electron carrying this, if single electron you will leave it here. Okay, so questioner is asking 10 electron when located between the plate of capacitor which are 5 mm apart. So you just may see here what is happening, calculate voltage needed. So it's not saying there is something height concept, why the electron will move here. So there is great concept, only electric field is there. So one concept is hidden here, that concept I am telling what is hidden. Okay, the concept hidden is here. The plate is wait a minute please, this is the way here is telling, yeah, this is the plate. Actually the plate is in this manner. Okay, this is the plate. Okay, or another plate is over that. The two plates are here. Obviously if anything else, when you will allow to fall, anything else it will allow to fall, what will happen to it? Will move downward, it will move downward under gravity. So question is asking voltage needed to balance an L drop. Okay, so we need to balance it. So this is electron, negative in charge. Obviously under gravity, under 9.8 meter per second square acceleration, is just falling down. So we need to balance it. So it is experiencing downward force. Another force is required to move up. So what force you will imply here? The force will be electric force, and here will be the gravitation force. Okay, so we can here these force when will be equal and opposite, then the body will be at the same point. This is called a balancing situation. So we'll write down here the force required. The force required to balance 10 electron charge. Is that clear? What is that here? So Fe is equal to Fg, right now. So obviously it is the difference between them is, I think, what is given? Length. This is called the length here. Clear? So calculate the voltage needed. So how much voltage you need to apply here? So this force actually will develop here the voltage. Voltage actually will develop this concept here. Okay. So what is voltage? Voltage is equal to force into length. This is called what? Work done. Obviously force is what called? Please tell me. The force is called Q into E or into L. And what is Q? Q is unitary. So EL means potential difference is to be needed. EL. EL is that here. So we can just understand here EL. It's EL is the potential difference that allow the force. Okay, it's called Fg. Clear not? The next time you will not do this rough work. You will imply directly. Actually, potential difference giving the force here. So what the question is asking? Potential difference. This is the potential difference. This is the potential difference. This whole is potential difference. Okay. So what? Calculate the voltage needed to balance an ion drop carrying 10 electrons when located between the plate between 10 electrons of a capacitor which are 5 mm apart. Okay. So you just can find out this is that here. So force is mass into acceleration. Oh sorry, F G force is there. Okay. It's not. This is the G subscript. So it's called mg. Mass of electron is mass, volume into density. Is that your mass? I think it's given here. Yeah, it's given. What is the total mass? Mass of electron is 9.1 into 10 to the power minus 31 kg. Okay, and how many are there? 10. Or gravity is 9.8, or this is called EL. Is that clear? So we need to find out the 5 mm apart. This is the gravitation force. Okay, right guys? So this much is to further is to be calculated. The mass of oil drop is given here. Is given mass. Its normal mass of electron is not there. Carrying 10 electron. So carrying 10 electron. So carrying 10 electron means this is, wait a minute please. So this is the, what is mass of drop? 3 into 10 to the power minus 16 kg. This is the mass of drop. How many? Okay, this is the mass of drop and multiply by 9.8. So this is the gravitation force which is trying to pull the drop down. Okay, and this will numerically equal to how much potential is to be taken here. This. Okay, so this is the electric field. So what the electric field is to there? Obviously you just can find out this. Calculate the voltage needed to balance an aisle drop carrying 10 electrons when the located between the plates of capacitor 5 mm apart. 5 mm apart. So potential difference will be what? What will be the electric field? So electric field numericals to this here, the same it is. So it's to be multiplied by plate also, right now. Now next is you will further solve it and obtain the answer. If you can't solve, then please ask me this question. Now look the next please. Question number 2. What the question number 2 is there? Question number 3rd. The question 3rd is saying here. Third. What is the third question saying? an infinite plane sheet. Infinite plane sheet. This is infinite plane sheet. You just I think what is the electric field near this? So sigma by twice epsilon. I think you would all would have studied here. Okay, right now, and the two plate concept. This is the electric field strength. Clear? So charge sheet charge 10 to the power minus, what is the charge here? 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Okay, density, charge density it is. It's not a charge. It is the charge density. Means sigma is given here. So you have to given sigma. You have been given here sigma. You understand this? Sigma is what here? 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb per meter. In held in the air. Air it means you need to take here the k is equal to 9 into 10 to the power what? Minus 19. When you are minus 9, when you are using the electric constant. Otherwise epsilon naught is to be taken whatever it's 8.84 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, it's minus 12. The unit is to be taken what the unit of k is, reverse unit of k. Clear? So held in this situation, how far apart from two equipotential phase whose potential difference is there? Okay, so how far? An infinite plate sheet of charge density this much held in air. In this situation, how far apart from, means the two plates are here. This you may see the two plates are here between this. The distance in the distance there is here length. So the potential difference between them is to be maintained as 5 volt. So 5 volt is the potential difference. Clear? V, and the length is to find out how far. Clear? So what can we do here? Electric field between them can be find out here, V by L. So by using this here, what is potential difference? 5 volt, and length is what? Has to find out here. But electric field we don't know electric field here. So how much electric field between them is? The formula of the electric field is this. So obviously there is two, it's a positive charge, it's a negative charge. So what shall be the electric field? Due to this electric field will be that sigma upon twice epsilon. Okay, due to this plane sheet it will be the what will be added here right now. So what shall be there? Twice, so sigma by epsilon naught will be there. So electric field intensity between the plates will be, this is that here, what? Sigma by epsilon naught. So you just understand here for a plane sheet V by L is equal to sigma by epsilon naught. So what shall be it is? V is given here 10, what is V? Is given here V, 5 volt. Length is to find out here. Sigma is I think 10 to the power minus 8, all given in the inside it, and epsilon is 8.84 into 10 to the power minus 12. And for the solving it is L is equal to 5 into 8.84. 4 is to be taken here. Okay, 8 into 10 to the power minus 12 divided by 10 to the power minus 8, and its length. Can you calculate this please? So what shall be? Is 8 cancelled, 10 to the power minus 4 is there, and here 5 4s are 20, 5 8 40, 2 5 8 40, and 44. How many decimal? 2 decimal is there. So this can be written 4.42 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter answer. So it shall be 4.42 mm. This is the length here. Okay, so the 4.42 the length is here. So this is actually given the 8 point, is a double of that is given if you will multiply to this. Why this is? Because in the solution forgot that the so listen here, an infinite plane sheet. So I have calculated for the two in plane sheet. If I will take here for single sheet, then what will be here? This please tell me. Obviously the formula will be not this. The formula will be only this one. So the field is to be multiplied this by 2. 2 will occur here. So its answer will be here 2 4s are 8, and what 2 4s are 9. 9.84. Sorry, 2 4s are 8 also will occur here. This okay, 8 is there. This answer will come here. Okay, I forgot to take the values due to single sheet only. It's not asking about the two sheet. This is due to the two sheet because originally capacitor occurs between the two sheets. Right, guys? Right now. So see the next question on numericals. What the next numerical saying here? Question number 4 is there also. A spark passes in air. Okay, a spark passes in air when potential gradient. Potential gradient, do you know potential gradient? dV by dr. This is called potential gradient. Change in potential with respect to position is called potential gradient. At the surface of charge conductor is the potential gradient 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 volt per meter. Change in potential with respect to position. What must be the radius of an insulated metal sphere? Radius of insulated metal sphere. And there is this here. A spherical cavity is to be developed here. Clear? It's R. Spark in air when potential gradient surface charge is this much. What must be the radius of an insulated metal sphere which can be charged to a potential of this much here? So potential is what? 10 raised to the power 6 volt. Okay. Right now, so how can we solve this? Please tell me. The potential gradient is this, that here. And the question is asking, a spark passes in air when the potential gradient at the surface is charge conductor is this. What must be the radius of an insulated metal sphere which can be charged to a potential? There is this spark of passes in air when the potential gradient is this much. The two things are disjoint here. How we can make them together, but they are part of each other. A spark passes in air. Okay, spark means what? The spark is means stream of electron, we can say. You would have seen in the rainy season the electricity, bijli girti isko hum kehte hain, we just call in Hindi. This is called the sparkling is taking place here. Okay. So this is called a spark passes in air. It's coming down to the gravity. Okay, potential difference gradient. What the gradient was there means in per unit length, it's this much is the potential difference. What must be the radius of an insulated metal sphere which can be charged to a potential difference? Means this is the potential, or what is we have to charge up to this much here. So radius is to be found here, obviously. So there is this here, obviously. One sphere is there, the other sphere is there also. So it's a radius is to be there. Okay. So what the radius will here, and this is the radius. So when whole charge, electricity will fall on that, the whole charge will be distributed throughout that. Okay. So we need to find out the potential difference between these two. So how much charge is to be developed here? So that is the potential difference del V. So what we can understand here? What is that? Del V is there. Okay. So the simple method, there is dV by dr is equal to electric field. So we are to find out dV is equal to electric field into R. So R is the radius here. Okay. So potential difference is to be placed here. Electric field, one of them is to, but is saying the question, a sphere which can be charged to a potential of this much. This is the potential of that. Charge conductor this here. So what one of them is to be used as the field. So which will use as the field here? Per unit length it is given here. So obviously the first unit you will use as the electric field, because unitary it is given here, and the second is to be used here this, and to calculate it you will obtain the right answer for that. Okay guys, well understood, you know. So it is called this 3 into 10 raised to the power minus 6 is there, and what the next is, and this is also 3 into 10 raised to the power 6, and length is there also. This is the potential, this is the field, this is clear. So what shall be this? Answer will come here 1 meter, means the sphere of 1 meter is to be made here. So that there. Okay. Similarly further you can solve here this. Okay. Okay guys, now see, we are just discussing another topic in your NCERT text is, okay, what is that? You may see potential energy of a system of charge. What do you understand by potential energy of? Okay, I'm telling potential energy of system of charge. The meaning of potential energy I am telling you. Potential energy of system of charge. Potential energy of system of charge. It's very simple to understand here. Okay. I'm just taking here just like a positive charge I'm just taking. Okay. What the meaning of positive charge? It's like you can understand here this. Yeah. There is, you may see a positive charge I have placed here, negative charge, sorry, I am bringing a positive charge I have placed. Suppose that I want to find out a potential energy to bring any charge at here, at any point here. So this is to brought here. So if the charge I placed here, Is it at rest? Obviously no, because the field is active. Clear or not, guys? I am another negative charge I am placing here. Is it anywhere else here? Is it at rest? No. Means where the field is in varying situation, the particles of the system cannot be in equilibrium. Mean it is the energy variations there. So means at different point of this, means this is the line. We just can understand here this with the help of that. If I am drawing here a line, this is a line here. Suppose that I just took here a positive charge, okay, and I am just drawing here a field line about it. This is a field line here. So we can just understand here at the different point. This is the point 1, okay. This is point 1, this is the point 2, this is the point 3, these are the point 4, these are means point 1, 2, 3, 4 are the points of the different value field here. Means at the different point the strength of field will different. So obviously strength of field means obviously we need to do if we want to bring a positive charge at test charge at the point 1. So different amount of work need to be done. I will this here different point to be done. This the different points are different work is to be done here. V1, W1, W2, W3. So the work done on the system or the work done just like in a catapult rubber, right now this is called gulal, and you will throw the catapult rubber back. So you do the work in stretching it. Even in the sea, in the people and the man who is just stretching his bow and the arrow. When the arrow is set on the bow string and it's stretched back, what happens? The string gets stretched, and you are doing work on the bow, and this elastic potential energy is to be stored. This is called the work done by you, right? So simply we can understand at every point different potential energy is there. The potential energy is the amount of work done to set this point, to set this charge at that point, right? So we are to find out potential energy due to system of a charge. So I am just telling you a best example for this. Suppose there is a positive charge, but I am telling it is just look at this, there is a positive charge, okay, yes, and I want to find out the potential energy at here, because this is an electric field, this is an electric field, okay guys, electric field. So what will be the so work done numerical equal to force into where from I am bringing here against the field. So it's called a small displacement, the same it is, this is called del r, right? A small work is done. So work from r is equal to infinity, okay, and what to r, what is the position here, this the position of that r is there. So infinity to r, or it's called f into del r, or it's called total work done, it is called. This is called potential energy. So potential energy at a point due to a point charge is this here. Further is to solve here. So I think here F is what? The here will be some test charge, like the test charge electric field test charge will some charge it is, like the Coulomb's law it's infinity, it's R means K source charge and test charge is divided by R square, and here is what? Del R. And for this to calculate it is K Q will not change. Here it will change infinity into r 1 by r is also there, it's dr also. So what will it is? This is one method. The another method I am telling you. So what the quantity is here? I am telling this. You just understand. This is the same method what we have derived for the electrostatic potential. I am telling, if you know the potential at this point, suppose potential at this point is Vr, and it is the work done in bringing unit charge. So how much q coulomb charge is to be brought here? Obviously multiply this by q. So this will be the work done here. Clear guys? So we can understand here, let a point charge, a point charge is at the origin, okay, O it is, okay, a point P where electric field intensity is to be found out. No, electric field intensity, no. We have to find out the electric potential energy. Okay, electric potential energy. So what is the definition of electric potential energy? Since the potential energy, go on writing also, potential energy at any point is the work done in bringing at that point the q coulomb charge. Okay, therefore W is equal to q into V. So q is to be brought here. What is due to point charge? So you will write a k, and it's a q naught is point charge, or q is the point charge here, is r here also, it's multiplied by q. So further negative always comes here. Why negative comes here? You everybody know here. Against repulsion doing work here. This is that here. K and q by r is negative. This is the potential energy. So in the energy is to be stored as a, right, it is called the potential energy. The formula is there. Okay, so well understood the potential energy, but it's asking here due to a system of charge. Therefore due to a system of charge, system of charge. What is the meaning system of charge? You may see here, this is, let this, okay, this is the work done in bringing one. Okay, second, different charges to there, you may see this is, okay. So system of three charges I am taking here. Suppose that three charges are here, one charge is here, you may see this is, okay. So I also can tell you this, one charge is here. Suppose if you will bring here one charge q1, will it do some work? No. Why? Yes, you are writing, no field is there. If field is not there, so obviously no. So you will write down here, and another, no field is there. So you will write here, in bringing, since in bringing W1 is there. Okay, W1 is equal to 0. W1 is equal to 0. W1 is equal to 0. Why? As no work is done. No work is done against. Okay, next please. And another charge you just brought here, another charge we brought here, this q2 charge. So obviously its position vector with respect to this will here. So this is called position of second with respect to first. So some work would be done. That is, it's a 1 here. It's a W2 is equal to formula K and Q1, or it's a Q2. Okay, Q1 Q2 by R. R is what here? R2 with respect to 1. Clear guys? Right now, similarly third, another charge is to be brought here. Suppose one charge is brought here, this is third, Q3 is brought here. So obviously its position with respect to this is position with respect to this. So we will speak here, this is called position of third, tell please, position of third with respect to first, and position of third with respect to 2. So we will need to do, if you will bring the third charge, you will need to do the work against 2 already present here. So what is the work done third here? Therefore W3, the work done in bringing third charge. So against this K, Q1, Q3, between 1, 3 it is that, and next is also there, negative always. Okay, here is also we took in this. So it shall be K, Q, and it's 1 thread, 3 with respect to 1. Is a third with respect to 1 and third with respect to 2. This is third with respect to 2. Clear or not? And later what shall it be? K, Q1, obviously what is that? K, K common, Q3, Q3 common, and here shall be what? Q1 by R31 plus q2 by r 32, okay, this that here. So for if let q1 q2, is that clear right now? q1 q2 q3 and okay, what is that? Dot furthermore is also there. It's a qn is the charge, okay, is the charge, n charges are here, n charges in this space, okay. Therefore total work done W is equal to sum of all is there, the first work done 0, the second, the third. So what is the first? It to be taken 0, second work is k q3 and where what is the first work done? q12, okay. You may see this q12, q1 q2 divided by is q2 with respect to 1 with respect to 2, okay. Third next is to be brought here, first work is, next work is what here, this is, you may see this is next work done. What is that? K q3 q1 divided by, okay, negative is there. What the next? Here also negative, so we'll take common all the negative. So if we'll take here the magnitude of that, so it shall be positive. 3 1 and here is what? 3 1 is also plus k q3 and it's 2 also, there is 2 1 is also, okay, and furthermore. So this will be a general formula for the work done due to the system of n charges. Clear guys, understood you? So further you can give here, let's summation, will it work the summation? Obviously no, 2 with respect to 1, third is to first 2, furthermore, right? So what is that? You may just see before here what is common in them. K is only common here, so k throughout common, k is there, so it shall be q1 q2 divided by r21 plus q3 and q1 divided by 3 1 plus q3 q2 divided by 32 and dot furthermore. So this will be a general formula, k times here. Oh, the summations can be there right now. This is general expression for the total work done. An idea here about this, okay. So you may say like that, this numerical is before you. So I already stated you clearly, when you are solving, when you are studying physics, especially in CBSE and CRT, then always go through the numerical expectation, numericals activity, because numerical expectation will make clear your concept, what exactly you have learned the topic. Is that clear? So we are just solving numerical here. What the numerical is saying here? Please look this question here. So we are solving question number 2 point. Example. You see what is that? Example number 2.4. Clear? What is that? Have a look this. What the example number 2.4. 4 charges are there before you. You may see. So I'm just taking this 4 charge system here. Sorry. Yeah, this 4 charge system we brought here. This. Okay, guys. So what is to find out? First you understand, we are to find out brought center means first is find a work done required to put charge together. It means total work done, how much will done if you will make this system of charge. And this can also be work done numerically equals to energy. So how much energy we need to expend to make a system. So in the world, every system, every configuration have its own energy. Means if somebody else, means there would have been spent the energy in making the configuration. Like that we just make a building construction site, so a lot of labor just do the work and they just do the work. Their energy actually is to be synthesized inside the house or inside the building, okay. So same happens, this is called configuration energy also sometimes. So we need to find out the work done, okay. So simple it is, you can give it the point is at A, this is B, this is C, right or not here. So simply let work done in bringing. So I will suggest you don't write down let, consider in numericals. Okay, directly you have to give the solution. Okay, so directly work done, okay, in making system, okay, of how many charges are it? 4 charges, system of charges what you have given. Okay, so what is that? First you will bring A, total work. First you will do work A, no work. Why? Obviously no work is there. Second you will bring B charge, so you will do the against this only. Okay, so what you will do here? K, due to what? Positive, due to that negative. So here will be what? Minus. So minus will occur here. Okay, minus will occur. And what is the position? This the distance between them is A. Again second work done, you will bring C. So C when you will place here, so it will be this distance and this distance, 2 distances are there. So it's a K, its charge is Q, and the charge of A is positive. Or next the distance is what? Diagonal. So diagonal, if A the side, but here is given D the side, so we'll write down D. So diagonal is what? D root 2 right now, and plus next charge is to be brought here, fourth charge is to be brought here. So against 3 charge you need to do work. So charge against A, obviously K, positive and negative. So due to that it will just become negative. It's negative. And Q, the side is distance is D. Again next work is to be done against A also. So what shall it be? K, A is positive and the brought is positive, so all the term will be positive. Distance between them is what? D charge we are bringing. Wait a minute please. It's the first work done, second work done, third work done, fourth we are writing. Sorry guys, fourth work done. Okay, this is the work done against. Clear? Now work done in bringing the D charge. The D charge, what will it is? It's a Q, means it is the charge of A and it is a charge of A, it is a charge of D, and one of them is negative. So take here the negative. It's negative and it's also negative. Clear? D is bringing here. This is first W, this is W2, okay, and W2 means in bringing B charge. No, it's wrong. And bringing W2, this is W2, or it's what here? It's a W3, bringing third charge. So 2 work is doing. Work done against positive means positive will be taken. Okay. Now next, what is the distance here? The first in bringing B, this work done is C, and diagonal is what here? It is there, and against this D is to be given. Now we are bringing D charge against positive. So D charge against A, it will be taken as negative. So here we will write down negative. And the distance is D. Against D against B, both are negative. Yeah, so negative positive. K D Q by diagonal distance this. Again against means D against C, positive, yeah, positive negative. So taken as minus D Q divided by distance is D. Now close. This is the total work done, you must see. Clear guys? So what will be here? Idiot. It is this here. Okay. So you see, it's this quantity once, and twice, and thrice, and this also here. So how many times this is occurring? So we can speak here minus 4 times k q q q, all are q q here, and later you can just write in this manner. So it shall be k, both are here, it's a q square by d, and k q square by d root 2 minus k q square by d, and k q square by d plus k q square by d root 2 minus k q square by d. Check the terms are here, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, is there? So you may see here what type of expression is there. I think it's root 2 root 2. This is root 2 root 2, positive positive, and so what shall it be? And negative, this is, and this is, they are all what? Positive, negative. So here will be 4 times k dq square divided by d, negative, and plus this is 2 times k q square by d root 2, and further what is common in them? 4k q square by d under root minus 1 plus, right now 2 can also be taken common, 2 can also be taken common. So here will be 2, so it shall be what? 2, or here will be 1 only, 1 by root 2. So it shall be minus 2 root 2 and plus 1. And what next will be there? It is same as it is. So here will be 1 minus 2 root 2, or here twice k q square or d. So you may say this all will make a positive impact, but this will make a negative impact. Why? Because 2 root 2 is greater than 1, so their difference will come negative. It means the total work done is negative is there. What does negative work done? Negative work done means if the system in chemical system or chemical reaction, if the negative work done means if any reaction which is being negatively taking place, it means that it is a cooling process, mean it will consume energy obviously. So same happening here, this the work done is this much here. The answer you may check this, yeah, before is it negative is to be taken here, the same answer is coming here. Okay guys, now same you may see what the next question is asking. Work done needed to be bring del q to b where b when plus is at a. This is given by charge. Now it's a solution. Where the second question? The second question which we have to tell is charge q is brought at the center of E, 4 charge kept together. How much extra work to do here? Means in bringing this charge, you may see where the charge is there. In bringing this charge, how much work is to be done? Same is to find out here. The distance between them is all. So in bringing first and bringing second, I think you can solve this question. Okay guys, right now. So next is a potential energy in external field. Means you will not be told that who is creating the force, who is developing the force field. Simply it is electric field. Just like that in thundering and crackling between the earth surface and cloud or in the sky place. Okay, the sparkling takes place and electric field develops here. So what is creating the electric field? Was simply electric field is there. Okay, so in the this is it's a strength. You know the strength of electric field, and you want to find out the potential energy of that. Then how will you calculate this? So we'll have make a reading of this. And then tomorrow we'll discuss here the potential energy system of 2 charge. Already we have discussed. Clear right now. So tomorrow we'll discuss here the work done and external field. Means a dipole system will be placed here tomorrow in that. Is that clear guys? Right now. So your assignment of the day, see on the study material yours. These questions to be done by you. This is your home assignment, you may see. So the questions to be done by you are these. You may see problem based on electric potential energy. There is certain questions are here, and how many questions to be done? First 3-4 questions to be done by you. Okay, and make a very fluent reading of the text. Okay, so guys, thank you very much and have a nice day.